Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing the green surface and camera. First, hang a non-reflective green fabric tight and smooth. Wrinkles create shadows that break the key. Next, clear at least 1.5 to 3 meters of space so you can separate subject from background. Then mount your camera on a tripod and switch to manual exposure. You want consistent frames. Finally, disable auto white balance so color stays stable. This makes keying much smoother later. Once the backdrop and camera are ready, focus on lighting and distance. Position 2 soft lights at roughly 45 degrees to the background to evenly illuminate the green. Add a soft fill or hair light to separate you from the screen. Make sure you stand 1 to 2 meters away from the fabric to limit color spill and unwanted shadows. Use flags or black cloth to block stray light. Also, lock a fixed white balance and adjust exposure so the green is bright but not blown out. You finish by testing and processing your footage. Record a short test clip, then check levels in a waveform or histogram to ensure no clipping. Import the clip into your editor or keying plugin, pick the green, and reduce tolerance until the subject is clean. Apply spill suppression to remove green reflections. If you see haloing or green edges, increase distance from the backdrop, lower background light, or use a thin edge feather. Final tip: when in doubt,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.